Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube and confirming watch history and captions are enabled. This unlocks transcripts. Next, open the target video and click the three-dot menu to show transcript or press the shortcut if available. Once visible, position your Notes app or the clipper tool beside the browser for side-by-side capture. Do this now, do not delay, so you can copy timestamps quickly. This alignment saves time and preserves context for each note you take. You will now capture useful lines. Highlight transcript segments and copy them with timestamps like 0, 45 or 12, 03. Then, paste into your Notes app and immediately tag each line with a short label example. Method, result, quote, so you can filter later. Once done, create a clear heading that includes video title, channel, and video ID for provenance. Make sure to use plain text to avoid formatting errors, and to preserve timestamps for later review and searching. Finish by refining your raw captures into concise notes. Write a one-sentence summary, list 3 action items, and keep timestamps linked to quotes. Export your file as TXT, MD, or PDF so it's shareable and searchable. Include video metadata. If you encounter no transcript, enable captions, try YouTube auto-transcribe, or run an automated speech-to-text tool. If those fail, play and type key excerpts manually. This troubleshooting step recovers content quickly and keeps your workflow moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.